Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by combining 1 cup of cooked quinoa with 2 large eggs and 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour in a mixing bowl. For a touch of flavor, add a pinch of salt and your preferred dried herbs, perhaps a teaspoon of oregano or basil. It's crucial that your quinoa is completely cooled before you begin, as this helps the mixture bind properly and prevents the eggs from cooking prematurely. This simple base creates a flexible and delicious wrap. Once all your ingredients are in the bowl, mix them thoroughly until you have a cohesive batter. It should be thick enough to hold its shape but still spreadable. Next, heat a non-stick pan over medium heat, adding just a touch of olive oil to prevent sticking. For each wrap, pour about 1/4 cup of the batter into the pan, gently spreading it into a thin, even circle, approximately 6 to 8 inches in diameter. Allow each wrap to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side. You'll know it's ready to flip when the edges start to look set, and the bottom is a lovely golden brown. The wrap should be firm enough to easily slide a spatula underneath without tearing. If they are browning too quickly, reduce the heat slightly to ensure they cook through evenly without burning. This process yields a perfectly pliable wrap. Now for the best part, filling your delicious quinoa wraps. These versatile wraps are perfect for a variety of fillings. Try spreading a layer of hummus, adding sliced avocado, grilled chicken, or a medley of roasted vegetables like bell peppers and zucchini. You can also add fresh greens for extra crunch. Serve them warm for the best experience, enjoying a healthy and satisfying meal in minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.